Amorians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Chef Amors and I share simple, amazing recipes you can make from home at the comfort of your kitchen. So in today's video, I will show you how I make my okra soup. Okra soup can be very easy to make, but it has some certain steps or procedures you need to keep in mind to get the best result. Let's dive in. As usual, you know I like to cut my protein myself. That way I get to cut it into the desired shape or size I want for the particular dish I intend to make. For this recipe, I'll be using ice fish, which is the sardine. I'm gonna gut this fish, then clean with lemon and vinegar. Please use plenty water. There is no way how you will clean your fish with lemon and vinegar and still feel that fishy smell. It is not possible. So please take your time to always clean your protein with lemon or vinegar. It does makes the difference. You don't want anyone eating your food and feeling that fishy smell. Now I'm going to boil my fish with some salt, bouillon cube, and some blended habanero onion blend. This actually makes the difference. I did a mixture of green habanero pepper and that yellow one for that nice aroma and taste. You should give this a try and it sure makes the difference. So I'm gonna add that blend and then some water, of course, as you can see. Give everything a good stir and cover and let this boil. I love ice fish in my okra soup. I think this is one soup that I actually love with ice fish. So now in another pot, I'm going to cook my beef. As you can see, you're going to cut the beef into the desired size, clean with enough vinegar and water, and then you're going to add that blended habanero onion mix, your seasoning and salt, and enough water that can cook this beef. Now you're going to cover and let it cook completely. Here I'm prepping my kpomo. My kpomo is already soft, so I won't be adding that now to further. But if your kpomo is very hard, please cook it with the beef. Now my fish is ready. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit and then debone the fish. You need to do this. It is very important. You need to remove all the bones from this fish so that it's easier for you to eat and you won't choke on anything. To a pot, you're going to add good quality palm oil, crayfish powder, and then you're going to fry this very well until it starts bubbling. That is when you know it is well fried. To that, I will be adding my fresh pepper. In my food processor, I crushed my fresh pepper. I use chili pepper here. You can use scotch bonnet or whatever, but I use chili pepper here. You're going to crush everything and then you're going to add this crushed pepper into your palm oil crayfish mix. Now you're going to fry this a bit, not too much but a bit, until it releases all the flavor and everything just balances with each other. Then you're going to add your cooked beef kpomo plus the stock. Give everything a good stir, and at this junction, if your soup need like more seasoning, adjust seasoning. If it doesn't need seasoning, then you're good to go. To clean your dry fish, please use vinegar also. I hate the fishy smell it has, so use enough vinegar or lemon juice to clean your dry fish. It does makes the difference. Trust me, when anybody is eating your food, they will not feel that fishy smell and they are going to enjoy the soup. So after that, you're going to adjust seasoning like I mentioned earlier. Give everything a good stir and let this simmer on low. So you want everything to infuse, all the flavors to marry each other, because this is the key. And cooking is all about building flavors. If you know, you know. Now I'm going to blend my okra into the smooth paste, add into a pot, just like that, and let this cook. Now also in my food processor, I'm going to roughly crush, because I'm trying to get 3 texture in this particular soup. One is the finely blended mix, the second one is this roughly chopped okra, and the third one I'll be slicing that with my knife manually. So this is what you should be looking for. It just feels so nice when you just, you know, bite in and just feel that crunchiness of the okra. You're going to add water and then some crayfish, and then give everything a good mix. You want this stretchy and slimy, so take your time to mix this. But remember, please, this is very, very important. You need to do this on low heat, not even medium. Low heat. One thing I've noticed, and my experience so far when making okra soup, is you don't want to put too much heat, because if you do that, you will lose the elasticity, the drawness will not be there anymore. So once you mix it, you're going to add it to your soup, chop some and add, because you want that beautiful crunch. Add your deboned fish, and then at this junction you're going to give everything a good mix. Look at that elasticity, look at how it's drawy, so nice. This particular step should be done on low heat also. Like I said, okra and too much heat doesn't go well, so please do this on low, not even medium, low heat, and take your time to, you know, mix everything together. Once it all comes together like this, the next thing you need to do, which is optional by the way, is you can add some freshly cut Uziza leaves if you have that. I have this in my fridge, so it was just worth adding it. It has this nice aroma too, and very, very nice. So you're going to add your Uziza leaves and then give everything one final mix until everything is well combined and your okra soup is ready. Look at how slimy it is. Look at how nice it is. What will you be pairing with this? Honestly, at this junction, all I have in my mind was hot eba made from good quality yellow garri. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'll be making my eba. But look at how nice this eba is looking. Perfect pair for this okra soup, but you can also enjoy this with your semo and any other swallow you feel like, you know. Even tuwo masara, tuwo shinkafa, you can just pair this soup with literally everything you want. So once this is done, you're going to plate as usual and serve. Remember, please cook your okra on low heat. It is very, very crucial if you want that sliminess and if you want it to maintain its elasticity. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and also subscribe if you're new here. As usual, my name is Chef Amors and I share simple, amazing recipes. Don't forget to take your time to plate your food. It also makes the difference, like we first eat with our eyes before our tongue, right? I will see you in my next one. Bye.